Platoon Sergeant Officer Cadet Hamid Hussein Omar, Jeshi la Nchi Kavu. Mheshimiwa Rais, platoon ya 4 iko chini yake Junior Under Officer Mika Mohamed Yona, Jeshi. Platoon Sergeant Officer Cadet Lucy Nyamusi Nyachio, Jeshi la Nchi Kavu. Mheshimiwa Rais, platoon ya 5 iko chini yake Junior Under Officer David Paul Gitonga, Jeshi la Wanahewa.
Kenya. As an officer of the Kenya Defence Forces, I will obey all laws and all orders, regulations, directions and instructions according to the law, without fear.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.